Hello everyone. In this video, we will introduce the weights modules of the MCMC optimizer. Select the optimizer game object. You will see the weight settings on the inspector. You can also see the optimizer summary in the left-hand side of the scene view. Check or uncheck the auto weights to enable the auto weights mode or the fixed weighted mode. In the fixed weighted mode, the weights of the costs are decided by the designer and they will not be updated during the whole optimization process. You can also see the quick summary in the scene view. The range of the rates is used to prevent the weight less than 0 or over than 1. Indeed, in most cases, we don't even know which cost will be more important to the proposed problem. So, the auto-weighted mode may provide some hits for you. According to my experience, when the rate is less than 1, the learning style will be more aggressive. This means it will tend to put more effort into optimizing those courses that are hard to be optimized first, then optimize the easy ones. To complicate the problem and better demonstrate the learning style, we use 5 red boards here. When the weight is over 1, the learning style will be lazier. This means it will tend to put more efforts into optimizing the courses that are easy to be optimized first, and then optimize the hard ones. In practice, we can use the auto-weight mode to find the reasonable weights, and then set these weights to the optimizer to increase the corrigency speed. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.